Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will show you amazing app for earning without any investment. So let's start. Open your Play Store and write here clap clip. I have already installed it. Then I have only click open. You can see here 10 million people have already installed it and start earning here. So I have opened. First you need to register with Google and Facebook. So I have login with Facebook. You can choose any methods. Now you need to select your gender, male and females. I have select male, and now you need to select profile picture. Then I have click on and allow. I have choose here a sticker, you can see, and go to next option. It's a major application. You can earn here without any investment by the help of watching ads and playing games. Now you need to choose some categories for your ad and games. So I have select technology, gaming and lifestyle. Now I click on next button. Please wait to completing a list and getting a reward. Get $1 just putting the code in the application. You can see the code on the screen. I have already registered, so it show my earning and coins. Now click reward and click redeems. Now enter the code which available on screen for getting $1 free. 9473956571. I have already registered, so it not give me again, but I am simplify for you to getting $1. After writing code, now click on rhythm rewards. I have already take $1, so they cannot give me again. Now let's back. If you are first time registered on this app, so they will compulsory give $1 as a reward. You can see my coins and earning. You can exchange coin in currency. This app provide the facilities of withdraw after the earn of $10 by PayPal or mobile balance method. It depends on your choice. If you want to get money by PayPal, then you need just earn $0.10 to getting in your account. If you choose mobile recharge method, then you need minimum $10 earn to getting withdraw as a mobile recharge. This app provide different types of rewarded like as Amazon refills, cash refills and coin refills. You can earn money by the help of playing different games like as I have choose spin and I am try to spinner. You can also earn by the watching of ads and completing different tasks. After the completing games, ads and tasks, you will certainly get some rewards like as coins, currency and Amazon refills. I repeat, it's not a fake applications. Soon I will provide a proof with withdraw videos. You can see 5 lakh reviews about this app on your Play Stores when you are getting downloaded. I have spin to spinners and luckily I have get some coins. You can exchange coin by the currency like as after getting 10,000 coins you can exchange in $1. Now I will show you with proof my coins have increased. If you want to play other different games, then click on games and all list show you which you want to play. And if you want to earn by the help of ads, then click on videos. Here all type of videos available which you have select as a category at the time of registrations. For getting reward, click on videos and watch till when the time list is full. After the complete time list, you will get reward in the form of box in which include coins, currency and Amazon refills. If you face a little issue that time list will stop, then click again at any video for the complete of further remaining time list to get reward. You can see here a few seconds are left to complete time list. After completing time list, it is compulsory that I will certainly get rewards. Here maybe people thought that how this app give money without any investment, so it is a advertising app to fulfill requirement of their customers by the help of advertising. So in this scope you can earn $200 to $500 in few days by the help of playing games, watching videos and completing different tasks. You can see here I have winning some rewards. I have click here and you can see I have won some coins. Now I will show you as a proof, so I click on icons and you can see here some coins have increased. If you want to exchange coin in the form of currency, then click exchange and you can easily exchange your coin at the rate of their coin. I hope you have get an idea about these applications and way of earning. Before leaving, I request to comment, please subscribe my channel.